at the end of the day, aku rasa bila you faham support and resistance, itulah benda paling senang yang awak boleh trade dan yang boleh buat consistent profit. So one of the big trades we took last week was this Bitcoin short, ya, yang kita telah hold selama 1 minggu, ya. We held it for a whole week dan saya telah close dengan 2,664% yang telah bagi saya hampir 6% on my account last week. Right, dari satu trade saja. Yeah, so this trade was actually very very simple. Dan I'm going to actually show you guys sambungan dari trade ini. Right, so once kita dah short, kita terus re-enter long pula. And this concept is so easy, right? Kita telah enter long. Saya masih sedang hold sampai sekarang. Right, saya masih sedang hold sampai sekarang. And our members have also made really really good profit from this trade. Okay. Dan ini menggunakan konsep yang sangat-sangat senang. Right, which is support and resistance. So you can see we are all trading on wicks. Kalau you guys nak belajar juga dalam academy, you guys boleh buka your wicks account. Link saya akan letak di bawah. Sekarang ada deposit bonus, 20% deposit bonus untuk you guys yang buka account wicks. Okay, so link saya akan letak di bawah. Bila you guys buka account wicks, you guys can join the Kaizen Crypto Academy. Link di bawah juga. So let's get into these two big trades, which are actually super easy. So looking at the first trade, this was the market short June 17 ya, market short BTC. So 106,850 untuk entry, SL 108,954 and TP 102,498. Okay, so looking at the chart, this was where we entered. Ini chart BTC USDT 4 hour. This is where we entered. Short lebih kurang dekat sini, stop loss lebih kurang sini, and our TP was somewhere down here. Okay, so kenapa saya trade sini? Kenapa saya enter sini? Well, very simple. Kita nampak, kita tahu Bitcoin selalu bergerak dalam range. Right? Bila Bitcoin trending, dia trending sekejap. You can see here, dia trending sekejap, dia ranging lama. Right? Dia ranging lama. Dia trending sekejap, dia ranging lama. Right? Dia trending sekejap, dia ranging lama. So benda ni berulang. You can see all the way from here. Right? Trending sekejap, ranging lama. Trending sekejap, ranging lama. So benda ni sentiasa berulang. Bitcoin is in a range 70% of the time. Dan bila you boleh tentukan sebuah range, very simple. You trade short from the top of the range and you trade long from the bottom of the range, which is buy low, sell high, atau buy at support, sell at resistance. So cara saya tentukan range, saya menggunakan volume profile. Saya tarik benda ni macam ni. You can see, boom. Right, we rejected right at the top of the range. Bila dah ada rejection, kita cari sedikit confirmation. Right here we can see there is a engulfing, bearish engulfing. So itu ialah confirmation pertama. Confirmation kedua, if we go on to a lower time frame, like 1 hour, we can see, what is this? Something that looks like a head and shoulders pattern. Kalau kita guna line chart, you can see it lebih jelas. Right, so ini confirmation kedua. I was just expecting it to break down. For trade management, kita target point of control at least 1:1 boleh dapat ke tak? Nampak macam boleh. So this trade is worth it to take. Enter trade ini short, boom, expect a full range reversal sampai ke bawah. Kita berjaya hold until the big drop happen. Fake out and then the drop lagi sekali, boom. Right, so we managed to hold this all the way down. Dan even lower, I believe. Yeah, so kita berjaya hold sampai sini lah, lebih kurang sini. And this is where we actually entered long. Right, kita telah short dari atas and then kita long dari bawah. So if we go back here, okay, nampak this was our short position. entry 106, saya hold sampai 99,590 and then we re-entered long. Yeah, so long 9944. Yeah, 9944. Re-enter balik long 9944 lebih kurang sini. Stop loss berapa? 98 ke? Oh, 9750. 9750 lebih kurang sini. Right? Okay. So what were we doing for this? What was the analysis? Simple. We're below the range, right? Price murah, kita nak buy. Right, cari confluence sikit. Confluence pertama ada demand zone sini. Right, that's about it. That is about it. Right. This is a textbook IRDR setup, right? Range, deviation masuk sebuah supply or demand zone and we just want to trade it back into the range. Kalau dapat at least 1:1, retesting here, it's worth it. Sebab a lot of times when price deviates the range, dia jumpa sebuah supply or demand zone, dia akan at least retest balik the range. Kalau tak, dia akan masuk balik and rotate all the way back up and create a full range reversal. And that is exactly what happened. Right, we are still currently holding long sampai sekarang. Right, we are still currently holding long. Masih ada. Let me see. Yeah. Right, kita telah re-enter beberapa kali lah. Let me show you guys. So we entered long. Where is it? Okay, this was the first one dari 99993 macam tu. We held until 105. Then aku tambah long lagi di sini. Once we get above the point of control, saya tambah long lagi, right? And we trade it up. Yeah, so macam dua kali lah kita enter long. Alright, so this was the two really big trades, guys. Satu atau dua trade seminggu cukup untuk buat profit yang besar. You tak payah trade setiap hari. You tak payah trade setiap hari. Why not instead of kau trade setiap hari, kau guna 50 USD, ya 100 USD untuk trade setiap hari dan kau sanggup full margin 50, 100 every day. Why not kau tunggu satu setup yang cun macam ni dan kau enter 500 USD terus. Dan kau tinggal hold je. Tak payah tekan-tekan every day. Right, you just wait for the good trade. Enter besar sikit, tekan besar sikit, and then just hold it lama sikit lah. Tak payah trade every day. Setiap hari tengok chart, setiap hari kena tekan, setiap hari rasa emosi sebab profit datang, profit keluar, profit datang, profit keluar. Right? Yes, it's fun. You can trade every day. Mungkin orang rasa seronok kan nak trade. Tapi saya lebih suka buat profit compared to trading. Right? Saya trade untuk buat profit, bukan saya trade untuk trade. Right? The outcome is saya nak buat profit. So, saya lebih suka bila ada trade macam ni. Kita dapat entry yang cun, just hold it down, find a new entry, hold it again. Right, so this is how we are trading in the Kaizen Crypto Academy. Kita tak trade hari-hari sebab we don't have to trade every day. Right, orang yang trade hari-hari ialah orang yang kejar duit. Yang kejar duit, yang nak duit. Saya nak duit, saya mesti buat duit. Yang kalau you ada mindset macam ni, I guarantee you akan MC banyak kali lah. You akan MC banyak kali. Bukan you akan gagal, right? You can make money that way. But it doesn't work for a lot of people. That's just my opinion. Okay, so this is how we trade. This is just the breakdown of two biggest trades that we took last week and also this week, which we are still currently holding. So kalau you guys nak tengok exactly how we trade in the academy, bila kita entry, TP, stop loss, break even, everything, how we manage trades, right? You guys boleh join the Kaizen Crypto Academy. We are trading using Wix, guys. Link saya akan letak di bawah. Wix is a fantastic crypto platform yang saya dan hampir 100-700 member lain sedang guna untuk trade. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. See you guys in the next video.